guys, welcome to my channel Curlykinkydee. I'm also known as Donna. So today we're doing a deep conditioning review. So I've done a clarifying wash and this is what my hair is looking now with the conditioner in. So I'm gonna have to rinse the conditioner out and then I'll be going in with the deep conditioner. So I'll see you guys back soon. Going in with the deep conditioner we are reviewing is the Blueberry Bliss Reparative Hair Mask by Curls. And this is what this one looks like. So this is what the inside looked like, guys. So but I took a handful. For those who are new on my channel, I normally, after I've rinsed the conditioner out of my hair, I'll normally go in with a handful, put a handful on all of my hair whilst I'm doing my sections. So my hair don't dry out because I take my time applying the deep conditioner. So yeah, it feels like a lotion. It's not too thick, it's not too runny. This is what it looks like. It's got a scent to it, not a strong scent. It's got a nice smell, I would say. I don't know if blueberry has a smell, so I'm not a blueberry eater, so I don't know what blueberries smell like, if it's got a scent, but this definitely has a scent. So let me just read you guys what it says. So it says no sulfates, silicons, parabens, artificial oils, colors or fragrance. And it says it is an intensive reparative deep conditioning hair mask guaranteed to repair damage and enhance growth. It says deep penetrating intensive conditioning hair mask guaranteed to prevent breakage, repair damage and enhance growth, and it's formulated with certified organic blueberry extract, aloe leaf juice and chamomile extract, clinically proven to repair, protect, restore and grow your curls. So it says directions: cleanse curls with Blueberry Bliss Reparative Hair Wash, rinse, and then apply your Blueberry Bliss Reparative Hair Mask to wet hair, massage into the scalp, detangle with wide tooth comb, let the conditioner penetrate the hair shaft, leave on for about 15 minutes in the shower or 25 minutes for deep conditioning. You guys know I finger detangle, so I'm going to now apply this and the ingredients will all be listed down in the description box. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so I've taken a smaller section and now I'm applying the deep conditioner and so I have, because I have used a stripping shampoo, I have gone in with a conditioner, a rinse out conditioner. So I have kind of detangled my hair already with the conditioner, so this should be kind of easy actually to be putting on. Applying it feels really good. Let me just give you guys a close-up. Okay, so let's carry on applying this deep conditioner. section is done. I'm going to do this off camera and then I'll be back to you once it's all applied. So I'm back, it's all applied on my hair. I'm going to sit under the steamer for 25 minutes exactly, and then I'll give you guys my final thought on this reparative mask. So I see you soon. So guys, I'm literally back. I've been under the steamer for 25 minutes and my final thoughts on the Coles Blueberry Bliss Reparative Mask. It's good. It's defined my curls. The product for me, it really hasn't penetrated like really into my hair. It's not like really like a wow factor. I just love the way that obviously it has defined and clumped my curls. As you can see, look at the curls. It is clumped. Yeah, so it is a reparative mask, right? So it's, for me, it's okay. I have to say that I think should I have not detangled my hair beforehand with my normal conditioner, then I think I would have struggled with the application, because my back hair is quite loose in curls, so it's kind of always easy to apply products. When I come more to the top of my hair, to the front, my texture is more coarse. So that is when I can really feel if the product I'm using has enough slip. And so for me, it was a bit of a, really kind of detangling session where I thought it would be easier. So in that sense, yeah, I'm not, really taken by the product. This is how much I use. I think I can get about 2 more uses out of this. You guys can see. Yeah, I think 2 more uses I can get out of it. Obviously, I'll definitely will be using it till it's finished. My review is more about my opinion and what it's doing for my hair and how I personally feel about the product. And it's more about a guideline for maybe someone who has my type of hair, who has the thick, hair like mine. And so I always say, try it, see whether you like it. But based on my opinion, it's not something I will run to the shop for and buy. I think I'll use this up and I don't think I will repurchase it again, to be honest. My main focus is on slip, guys. I always look for slip, moisturizing factors. Obviously, this is a reparative mask, so obviously it's not overloaded with moisture, but yeah, that is the 2 things. But slip is key for me as well. It's important. And I know if my hair sucks in something and I come out of the steamer and I can hardly see the product sitting on my hair, then I know, fantastic, that is one of the signs I look for personally. Please check out this video. This is playlist on all the deep conditioners I've done so far, and on this video it's deep conditioners, and it is currently the deep conditioners that I will be reviewing, so you'll have an idea of what is still to be reviewed on my channel. So I hope to see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.